Guys, it is that time of the month where we go through the top penny stocks to watch out for. I know it's still early in the month to post this video, so smash that like to keep this on your watch list. So guys, just like you know, every month we post these kind of videos where we go through the top penny stocks to watch out for, and we're not going to go through any financials here when it comes to penny stocks, because penny stocks don't have any financials worth looking at, because they're deep in losses, they have no revenue, they have no product, they have no sales, and they have no pipeline when it comes to the sector for most of them. So we don't look at financials here. So what will influence these penny stocks to spike in value significantly in the first place is the news. I gave you guys a specific sector to focus on, and that is the biotech sector. Biotech stocks, biopharma penny stocks. And the reason why I gave you that sector is because we know the exact day when they will spike in value, and we know the reason why these penny stocks will spike in value. And it's always good to focus on a specific sector because you know the ins and outs. News affects stocks to move in value. Remember that, guys. And that's why I give you these penny stocks. Now I'm going to give you the exact day when these penny stocks will move in value. The majority of them will actually release on the exact day. Other penny stocks will delay the results. And these penny stocks, here's a quick explanation. Actually, I'm not going to explain it here. Here's a quick explanation that will make even more sense to those guys who are new to my channel. I know you guys who are already subscribed, you're getting sick of this explanation that I keep repeating every month. But to those new, we have to update them with why we're actually giving those penny stocks out. So after this, we'll actually go through the penny stocks that I'm going to give you. Most of you know biotech penny stocks at this stage have to release drugs and products and have to test drugs and products because they are deep in losses, they have no revenue, and they're just crap, right? So they have to, the whole purpose of these penny stocks at the moment is to get FDA approved on a drug, i.e. a medicine. Before getting FDA approved on a medicine, they have to show investors that this medicine actually works, right? So they have to come out with tests and results to show investors that this medicine works, right? So the result of that test and that product will influence investors to jump into the stock or get out from the stock. If that test comes out positive, the stock will spike in value. If that test comes out negative, the stock will drop in value, right? So similarly when getting FDA approved, because these tests result to FDA approval. So May 20th, BLPH, guys, May 20th, BLPH, on that day, an article will be released by the company regarding that stock. And obviously when the article will be released, the stock will see volatility either upwards or downwards by 50, 100%, sometimes 500%, like we've seen with BPTH, which is another biotech penny stock. CNCE between May 28th and the 31st. BLCM June 1st. Like I said, we're not going through financials here. We're just going to go through what will influence these penny stocks to spike in value. Right? BLCM June 1st. CRVS June 1st. SRRA June 1st. CLDX June 1st also. MEIP June 1st. ADRO June 2nd. ZIOP June 2nd also. ADRO June 3rd once again. OPK between June 7th and the 11th. IMV June 12th. PIRS June 16th. TBPH between June 16th and the 19th. All of these will be in the description, so don't worry. PTN June 23rd. Now, with that being said, smash that like button already, because every month we post these, and every month we'll post something on penny stocks, a tutorial or live trading. So make sure to join this channel, guys, if you're new to my channel, and I guarantee you one thing, you will learn a thing or two. So with that being said, why did I not give financials? Well, like I said, these stocks usually outsource everything, right? So they don't have bricks and mortars. And these penny stocks thrive on news. Our investors are looking forward to the news of these penny stocks, or these biotech penny stocks. Remember, these are biotech penny stocks. They've got no products. They've got no revenue. They're not even in shops. They don't have anything. It's just an idea. And they're outsourcing everything to India, where the smart people are. So they don't have a bricks and mortar. So what are you really investing in? Nothing. You're not investing in nothing here, just an idea. So that's why I encourage you guys not to invest in penny stocks, but trade penny stocks on the day. On the day when this is released, when the articles are released, because like I said, news is what affects penny stocks and stocks in general to spike in value. So we take that news and we trade, and we base our trades based on that news. Half of the time we'll be short in penny stocks. So if you don't know how to short, look in the description. There's a course for that. On those exact dates, there will be news released, guys. And obviously the news is what affects these penny stocks to spike in value and become volatile. 50, 100%, 28% on the day. So when somebody says you can't make 1% a day trading stocks, you know, do me a favor and just laugh in their face, right? Because as most of you seen the previous video where I posted saying $50,000 made in one single hour, another person made 30%, another person turned 2,000 to 3,000 in one day or 1 week, etc, etc, when it comes to trading penny stocks, and all of this is documented on my Discord chat. You guys actually making that money, not me. So it is doable, but you have to learn, you have to educate yourself, and you have to really understand the behavior of these penny stocks. And that's why when I say if you focus on a specific sector, you're most likely to profit and come out on top, because you know the ins, you know the outs, and you know the patterns and the behaviors that will come up time and time again. Like many traders will focus on the airline sector because airline stocks, right, are influenced by the Brent oil, and Brent oil goes up, the airline sector goes down, whether Delta Airlines and American Airlines, because that is the expense to the airline stocks, etc, etc. So we need to learn what influences these stocks over time, and here I simplified it for you guys and I gave it to you guys on a little plate with a knife and fork. So all you have to do now is start cutting. And I know some of you probably didn't watch this video till the end because you were expecting me to show you exactly how to do it, but look in the description, there's tutorials for that. I know, little baby, it's there, don't worry. Don't worry. And this is really what annoys me nowadays. You come to this market and you have a Robinhood account, you've got $1,000 saved up, and you think just because you can afford a $2 stock, you can buy that, you know, stock and hold it. Stop doing that. Because like I said, statistics have told us 50-50 chance, 50%, 60% of penny stocks will collapse and fail. Yes, you can make money here and there. Yes, you can buy a penny stock, hold it for a month, and then triple your money. But can you do that again? Probably not. So that's why I say stop doing that, guys. Yes, you can do it. 5% of your portfolio. That's perfectly fine. That's the risk you're willing to take with your portfolio. But if you really want to be consistent and profitable, you have to learn how to trade. And that's what I'm teaching you guys here, is how to trade penny stocks correctly. And trading penny stocks is simplified on this channel and easily shorted. All of these penny stocks, guys, will be in the description. If you made it this far, smash that like, turn that notification on so you don't miss these kind of videos, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new for more raw talks like these and raw educational videos. Because, guys, on this channel, I give you exactly what I know, majority of it, and then the rest will be in the course if you decide to take it seriously, which comes with the Discord chat, which is a trading community that we have for people that are trading the same style that I trade here, where there's penny stocks and also the high cap sector. So if you want to get it, and also there's a stock alert account where I give you those penny stocks on a weekly basis. Every Sunday or every Saturday they will be posted a list of penny stocks with the exact day to watch out for them. So it's going to be in the description for you guys. See you again for more videos, and follow me on Instagram as SimplyZ if you haven't already, for more live motivation like this and live education, which we don't do really, but just follow me there anyway. See you again for more videos, just like always. Appreciate you for watching.